Driving along one of my favourite backcountry roads at the moment. I use this to cut out about 10 to 12 kilometres of motorway, because that's always boring. That's much more fun bimbling along here doing 40 to 50 kilometres an hour. I rarely meet any traffic down here either. The occasional forestry vehicle or maintenance for cables or water pipes, and the occasional lorry coming out of the gravel company here on the right. The fun thing with this road is at the bottom end down here now I have to go through an old concrete works and through a disused railway station, through a tiny underpass, in order to get back out onto the normal road network. This can be a bit hairy here if there's something coming the other way, but it's rare. And it is narrow. Right, that's the concrete works. And we've got the railway station up here, or what was a railway station. There we are, here's the station. What's left of it. Ooh. There used to be a platform here just on the left. The goods platform was there. And back to civilization. The main industry in this little town is a steelworks, or was until they announced a month ago that it's closing down. So, hello unemployment, unfortunately.